Who do we have here today? And what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers.
Yes.
You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Yes, I trust.
You're crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Your fault if this goes wrong. You trust your guy? You haven't even met him yet. He's crazy. So, any last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this?
No, let's do this. Life's a risk.
We're gonna have fun today, guys. Let's go rock a skydive and have a blast. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. You ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Oh my gosh, y'all are crazy. Let's go have some fun outside. Whee! Oh yeah, bring it back. One more. Thank you. Way good? Bueno?
Bueno.
Yeah, buddies, you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, would you do it again? One more?
I think.
Yeah. You did awesome up there. Thank you for coming out. Skydive Colorado Springs, yeah.